Hey guys, today I'm going to make a Spam breakfast sandwich. So let's get toasting. I have a can of Spam lunch meat here that I opened here. I already sliced off a piece. This is Spam Light, but they make all different flavors. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet, lightly oiled. And I'm also going to add an English muffin. I already cut that in half, so it's ready to go. And this is a 3.5-inch cast iron skillet here. So I'm going to put an egg in that and cook my egg in that little skillet. And I think I can fit that right in the big skillet. And I'm going to get that into my toaster oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on that. It's been about 8 or 9 minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. I think that looks pretty good. Now I'll put this together here. English muffin toasted up nicely. I have some cheese here. That's a piece of Colby-Jack, I believe. And I better grab a glove. Grab this little cast iron pan and we'll see if the egg comes out. I did lightly oil the pan, so alright, that came out good. There we go. Get that out of the way there. And I didn't season my egg, so I'll just put on just a little bit of salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use that one all the time. A little bit of cayenne pepper for just a little bit of heat there. Grab my piece of Spam there. It looks good. We'll put it right on top and we'll put the lid on. It looks good to me. Let's try it out. Turned out real good. Actually, that Spam is good in a breakfast sandwich. Annie showed up, so I guess I better tear off a piece for her and see what she thinks. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. Well, I guess you liked it. I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.